move your body, come on, move your body, come on, move your body. Got my stain. Move your body, yeah. Got stain. Take this out the container. There's hot water on it. And it goes on my soul. As you know, we always get candy flavor because it's the best flavor. And I'm going to be using this. We're going to use a nice straw and a water cup for the drip of water. So we're going to space everything on my side. So add some water. The first thing you're going to do is get now water. A couple of drops, about 3 or 4 drops. Get something and start mixing it right on top of it. By the way, or you can put it in the container that just like goes in this big. This is big, guys. This is big. Usually, I don't have this kind of hard slime, but I got it. And it's from my glue that somebody put in it. I don't know who did it. Then after you have the water stuck in, you're going to add 3 more drops and then burn it again. I'm doing a video here. And if you're not in here about slime, then you gotta go. Because this is my slime room and no one goes in here. My slime room has a sink. As you know, it was our old bathroom. But it's not our old bathroom anymore. But
I'm playing it.
I just got this house for Christmas and she just got that for Christmas today. And she's key move. If that's not about slime, you gotta get out. And 3 more drops.
And she's gonna get tell about that because I'm going to tell.
Tell, okay. Bah, go ahead, tell. Got something. Go tell.
Gotta go resell.
And this is the slime, and it should be getting liquid in still, but I should have had warm water instead of this cold water. Someone put glue in it, and my perfectly blue slime, it was perfectly sticky. It was perfectly sticky and stretchy. You can even stretch it with a plastic spoon that's easy to break. But now you can't even scratch it with your finger. It's so breakable. Look at it. It was better than this. Look at it. It breaks when it stretches down. Look at it. Alright. Now it's gonna get a little smoother because we're gonna add our butter water, because I just heated up some butter into this water.
No, she didn't.
I did. This is like my butter water. And yesterday, I knew I was going to get this slime. So I just added some toothpaste to my butter water. And just heated up some butter at my grandma's house. And I put the butter in that water. And then I got the toothpaste and put the toothpaste in that water. And then I just saved it until I got slime. And look at here, I got slime. And just to let you know, today is December the 5th. Christmas. That time I only added one big thing of water. That time. So as you can see, every time you see me add water, you guys need to add water too. I'm really glad I got a YouTube channel, because I'm going to put this on my YouTube channel. Whoa, that water just came all the way out there. Alright, so I'm trying to dry up as fast as I can. But then you're going to get some water and put some water in your slime container. Put all that water in your slime container. Add some more on top of your slime. Just add everything, all the last little bit on there. On your slime. And if it starts to waste, that's okay. Because as long as you're in the bathroom. And please don't be doing this without your parents, because it is not going to be good, and I don't want no one to get it beaten. And so, comment down below if you're with your parent right now. Your parent said that you can do this. Okay, good job. Yes, thank you for people who are doing this with their parents. If you're not doing this with your parents, you're not getting the bowl of this slime. And if you're watching this, you better go get your parents literally right now if you want a bowl of the slime, because I can find you guys' houses and I can bring this to you guys. And thank you for commenting down below. And this is great. It's pretty funny. And you guys can see I have like foam beads in it and little stars. And for Christmas today, I got some slime glue, and I added my slime glue clay into this, and my slime glue and my slime glue activator, and my slime glue color and paint. And I added my little if I can find a magnet, I will show you guys how the magnet connects from the paint, because the paint has magnet in it, and the paint is good because paint has like magnet crust in it, like a little magnet black stuff. And I just used it for I just got some regular color paint, some white paint. I added the studium to it, the metal studium to it, and I just put it in here. You guys can see these foam beads are very squishy, and they come out easily. So if I want to, I can take every single last bit of foam beads out. Comment down below if you want the next video. You want me the next day when I play with the slime. You guys want to see me take foam beads out? Well, no. Comment down below if you want to see me just work with this tomorrow as well, and do the same thing with it. Because it seems like the water is not helping me. To me, it seems like the water's not helping, because it's still kind of breaking, and yeah, it's still breaking, coming apart. Look at that coming apart stench. And that's just, we're gonna add a little bit more water to him. Oh, I should say to her, because we're gonna just fill it up halfway. Well, not halfway, but kinda halfway. I filled it up kinda halfway, and I just put a hole in the slime where the water can just easily sink in to the slime, instead of just running all out of it. And make sure you're doing this over a sink on a table. As you can see, mine is kind of wasting on the floor because I got mine on the edge of a table. Or, well, on the edge of my slime studio sink. to that. And then you can see how it's getting smooth. I just gotta go. But I just like rub the water. Oh, and like my cousin has a whole slime set. And it's called slime glue like I have. But it's different. And he doesn't have the studio. He doesn't have a studio like I do, but he's working on building his. He loves to work, so he's working on building himself a studio where he has like lots of slime in it, cause he has lots of slime that he never runs out. Cause this is where I get this from. His auntie told me. My auntie wasn't gonna buy me no slime, so my cousin just had some slime and he just wrapped it for me, and then he just put some foam beads in it, and he just wrapped it in a regular slime box because he keeps his slime box just in case the slime doesn't work. He can take it back. And so it doesn't work. It didn't work, so he keeps the box. So this slime works. I might take it back, but it's working good enough for me. So I'm gonna keep it. Cause all I gotta do is keep putting warm water, hot water on this thing, and then let it be there. It'll be good to go. So now see that I have this comb. We're gonna get the comb and spread the comb. Gotta make sure none of the slime goes on your sink so you won't get feeding or anything. And then if you want, you can get some water. With the water on your hands, sprinkle it all over the slime. But make sure you rub it on there. But your parents have to do this part. But you can see, and my mom knows I can handle slime, so she's just letting me do it. And my mom's not with me. So that's why I said you guys needs a parent for this, because it's gonna include lots of water. So then you can do whatever you want. It's called trace whatever you want slime. I call it make whatever you want slime. But sometimes I just make a heart. And sometimes I just comb it like I'm doing here and make it go down. Alright, we're just gonna mix the water in and then stop for today. And then we'll be back with this tomorrow after I brush my teeth, wash my face, and get dressed. Well, I might just have on my slippers in the morning when I do this, because usually I do this at night and as soon as I wake up in the morning, but after I brush my teeth. So that was the end of my show with Let's Make a Deal. It's not. Let's make a deal with slime. Oh my god, it's big. Make sure you have a rag to wipe off the sink or the floor if you got some on the floor. Because usually parents are good with water, but I'm really not good with water. Water is my enemy. But I wash, just in case. If I can find some bubbles in the tub, I can show you that pants that I washed tonight. Here. So now you can see that I washed. So I'm just going to put it on my phone. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.